In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to verify domain ownership on Hostinger. This is a quick and essential step that confirms you are the rightful owner of your domain, and it helps keep your website secure and functioning properly. Whether you're creating your first site or managing several domains, this guide will make the process simple and efficient. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head to the Hostinger website. When the homepage loads, you'll see Hostinger's clean and inviting interface designed to help you build and manage your online projects with ease. This is where the process starts. Look toward the top right corner of the homepage and click the login button. Enter the email and password associated with your Hostinger account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, also known as the H panel. This dashboard is the main control center for your domains, hosting plans, and all connected services. Once you're inside the dashboard, find the domain option from the main menu. Click on it, and Hostinger will display your domain portfolio. This section contains every domain currently linked to your account, making it easy to manage them all from one place. Scroll through the list and select the domain you want to verify next. Click on the Manage button beside that domain. This will take you to the Domain Management page. Inside this page, you'll find all domain-related settings, including registration details, DNS configuration, and various verification options. Take a moment to make sure you're working with the correct domain before moving forward. Now look for the section labeled Domain Ownership. This is the area where you can complete the verification process. Click on Domain Ownership, and Hostinger will guide you through the steps needed to confirm that the domain belongs to you. Depending on the setup, you may be asked to verify through email, DNS records, or a simple confirmation link. Hostinger will clearly display the method required for your domain. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. If you're asked to confirm through email, check the inbox connected to your domain registration. If DNS verification is required, copy the required record and add it to your DNS settings. Hostinger will monitor the verification and update the status once the process is complete. After completing the steps, give Hostinger a few minutes to process the verification. Once it shows as verified, your domain ownership is officially confirmed and secure, and that's all you need to do. By following these simple steps, you can successfully verify your domain ownership on Hostinger and keep everything running smoothly. If you run into any issues, Hostinger's support team is always ready to help. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more tutorials to make your online journey even easier.